Well, you can tell we're getting closer to summer. Check this out. Oh yeah, 3,300 watts almost. Oh, 3,350 watts. Over 6,000 watts, guys. 6,600 watts coming in. Just pumping out the power. Oh, this one's kind of warm. Actually, this one's hot. Ouch. Man, how hot are these things supposed to get? So the 150 is not all that hot, but the 250 is like, whew, that is hot. Are the turbo fans on? Oh. Man, this one's really hot. I don't like that. Ouch. Man, that's crazy. Maybe we'll be sticking a fan in here. So this is the Midnight 250. 150 volts going into it. Oh, I guess a cloud went by or something. There we go. Back up in power. So this one's going to be maxed out in the summer. This one's almost maxed out. We should be, well, there's 8,700 watts total on both of these. I think there is around 4 on this and 47 on this. Something like that. I can't remember. Either way, we're going to be just pumping a crap ton of power in the summertime. It's crazy that I can pump this much power into the batteries. The batteries just soak it in. They don't even barely go up in voltage at all. Just soak it in. We're pumping out so much power in the summertime, I'll be able to max out the reliable pretty much, well, not 24/7, but during the day, all day. Pretty much be able to max out my magnesite inverters as well. It's crazy. I only had half this much power last year, so we're going to be running AC units non-stop. We're going to be running trailer AC units, because my parents are going to have the trailer here in the summertime. It's awesome. Anyways, all the wiring, all the cabling's all good. Nothing's warm. Actually, the cabling coming out of here is a little bit warm, only because this is pumping out air through here. I can feel it. It's crazy. Anyways, let's see. This BMS is actually a touch warm from charging. You know what? I bet you it's not. It's just warmer up here in general. I'm going to actually leave this door open for airflow, because I do have to put a vent. I'm going to put a vent over here. On that wall is where the vent's going. I'm going to have a push vent pulling air out, and then I'm going to have a vent pulling air in. And then in the wintertime, I'll be able to shut it and do whatever I got to do in the winter, because in the winter this room's fairly cold. This never gets hot. It's just in the summertime it's going to get hot. And then I'm also going to put a window AC unit in here. Can I open this? I hooked it in a funny way where I can't open it. So I'll be able to put a window AC unit here. You can see it's nice and sunny outside. Yeah. It's my closet doors. Come on, focus. There we go. Power room's really starting to look good, I think. Just need to do some mud, or maybe put a piece of trim there or something. I don't know what I'm going to put there yet, but yeah, I really like how everything's turning out. Thanks for watching. Alright, well, we are about 1 volt, or sorry, half a volt away from being full charged. 10.6 kilowatts here and 10.9 kilowatts here. When we started the charge, I believe we're at 60 volts, so we're at about 50% charged. We put another 21.5 kilowatts in. So that's pretty close to what my system is. Got about 40, I think it was 40 kilowatts. I gotta recalculate. I keep changing every time I hook up batteries how much actual storage I have. I think I have around 40 kilowatts right now. So that makes it a pretty good sense. Yeah. A lot better than December, man. Holy smokes, we were making like no power in December. in comparison to now. I put a fan in here, just facing up. That helped a lot with the exterior temps. I'm hoping that helped a lot with the interior temps. Let's see here. And menu temps. Oh yeah. Well, that and the fact that it's putting out less power. This is at 69. The FETs are at 69 before, now they're 54. So, oops. There we go. Still pumping out lots of power though. Holy smokes. We might hit complete full charge today. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I just switched over to solar. We're gonna start some laundry. Come on. There you go. We're drying laundry on solar power. Not pulling all that much power yet at the moment. Will be in a second, I'm sure. Actually, we'll open this one here. I love seeing it almost fully charged. There we go. The fan just kicked into high gear on these suckers, pulling a ton of amps. What do we got coming in? Looks like a cloud just went over or something. System's doing good. Fire, or smoke detector up there. Oh no, we get some clouds. Come on, son. Pick back up. We're doing laundry. We need more power. Oh, there we go. Get back up there. Awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos. How's it going, guys? Another update video here. Made my own generator cord. It's my own 10-4. This is a really high quality copper wire that is coated in nickel. Very, very nice wire. Really nice installation on it. Very flexible. Here, you can see it here. Let's see if we can focus. There we go. It's a really nice wire. It kind of looks like aluminum, but it's not, because you can see the copper on the inside, and it's a lot stiffer than aluminum wire. Very nice wire. So you can see what it is right here. Oh, it's gonna be hard to see. Oh, come on. It's nice wire anyways. And we are hooking that up to the generator so we can get full power usage out of it. And I am inside my little garage because it is nasty outside. Oh, we got a nice amount of snow coming today. Let's see if we can see out here. It's more just ice pellets right now. We already got quite a bit of snow. Supposed to get quite a bit more snow still, so I want to get this thing ready. We got 53 liters of fuel. This is empty, well, almost empty. I'm gonna fill it right up, and then we're gonna give it a test try. Anyways, thanks for watching. All right, just about to fuel up this generator. We're gonna run it on gasoline today because it's easier for me to pick up gasoline than propane right now. It's still coming down outside, still quite nasty. Here's my homemade generator cable. This is 410, and we are hooked up. And one thing I was told, it says the frame is bonded to ground. If the neutral and ground is bonded here, and it's bonded in your electrical panel at the same time, that means over here, the ground and the neutral will share current. You can only have it bonded in one spot. So either you don't bond it here by the generator, if it's bonded, like this one says it is, or you don't bond it in your electrical box. Either way, so that there's two different ways you can go about it. So let's fuel this thing up. We'll crack the door open. The exhaust points out that way. We'll see if this thing works. Alright, there she is running. Let's do a bit of a test. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the generator is running the entire house. Pulling 3,000 watts right now, and that is with that heater running. And that heater running. The rest of the house is only taking about 600 watts. But I've been opening and closing this door a lot, so the room got fairly cold. So we are not charging, sorry, we are heating this room. We are not charging the batteries because we are above 64 volts. This thing won't charge above 64 volts, so according to my system, or this system, my system's completely charged, which I am almost fully charged. We're actually sitting at 65 volts, almost bang on. Anyways, gonna put the rest of the screws in, and yeah, everything's working good. So it's a 30 amp breaker. I'm gonna label it right there. So I got, this one is the 30 amp breaker going, it's a pass-through through, not pass-through, it goes through the Magnesign inverters, and this inverter pass-through is disabled. That is only for the the reliable, I mean. The reliable inverter, this is on. The generator only works through pass-through mode, the way I have it wired up. This way I can have my 3 individuals, and even I can never have this one on at the same time as this one, and I can't have this one on at the same time as this one, but these two can be on at the same time. This one here is for the second generator input into this inverter, which I'm going to wire up as soon as I look at the diagram and make sure that these you just hook up parallel. I'm not sure yet, so I'm gonna look that up and then get back to you guys. There it is, running great. Be doing an oil change soon. Got 2 hours on it, maybe 2.5 at this point. Awesome. My cords aren't even close to warm. These are overkill for this inverter, or sorry, for this generator. Everything's good. Anyway, let's go back inside. Alright, test is over now. If you're wondering what that high-pitched sound is, it's this. Test went well. Ran the house. Didn't charge the batteries though because the batteries were too high. I'm now running off grid again because my batteries are charged. It's kind of let up. Just a tiny bit of snow coming down. The panels that I have mounted on a mount are doing great. They're not even covered. I'm sure those ones over there are not covered as well. The ones on the roof are in fact covered, unfortunately. So if I ever mount panels again, it'll be somewhat mounted like these ones. The bottoms have got to be a couple feet off the ground or snow piles. I'll be changing all that probably this summer, or maybe more like fall going into winter. I'll leave it till the end of summer. But yeah, doesn't look like much snow, but that's almost a foot of snow there, and that's really packed snow. It's not like that light stuff. It's really packed already. Like, it's not gonna settle. That's just the way it's gonna stay. And over there, same thing. Around the vehicles, there's less. It's kind of blowing snow too. But we're supposed to get more the next few days as well. So that should be fun. You can see where the generator melted the snow. Yeah. Sheesh. We haven't lost any power though, so that's nice. We have the option of grid power, and if we don't have the option of grid power, that's what this is for, and that's pretty much only what this is for. I'm only running this because I only have 14 days warranty, and I got to do my testing while I can because I got this for 600 bucks, this massive generator, and that is half off of what Costco sells this for full price. I'm not sure what Costco uses this or sells this for on sale, but full price it's 1,200 bucks. And I love my backup gasoline, 53 liters. This thing's amazing. I love using it. It's nice. Usually plop it on top of the ATV to fill stuff, or got my many other jerry cans with gasoline in it. I'm gonna get another one of these just for diesel for my Jeeps. Have it on hand. That almost fills my Jeep diesels up. This is 53 liters and the diesels are 78. So to bring it up almost 3/4. Yeah, just filling up the gas tank using a beer can. Oh, she's almost full. Look at that. Yeah. It's just trickling out. Anyway, she's almost full. Now watch that sucker, and yeah, thanks for watching. How's it going, guys? This is the same day. Still have that snowstorm outside, and we're running off grid, not because we have no power, it's because we can. We're pulling tons of power, as you can see. Okay, 100. We're running, my wife's cooking on the big oven and on the toaster oven. The house is running. We have a 420-foot deep well pump. Just, it's taking lots of power. So we got both the magnet signs are kicked in. The fan's turned on. Oh, now it turned on both of them. We're not getting any help from solar. As you can see, it is completely dark out. So this is all battery power. That's all these batteries here. It's just this one hooked up. These ones aren't hooked up yet. That'll be future video. Nissan Leaf battery still doing good. We got the Ford Focus batteries, Ford Focus EV. And then we got the rest of the Hyundai Sonata batteries. Lots of power. We'll be able to get through the night, no problem, and into tomorrow. And then tomorrow we'll probably have to go on grid, most likely, because it's supposed to snow some more. Probably make no power. I think I made 2 kilowatts of power today. 1 second here. Where are we gonna put this? Oh, we'll just slide those over. There we go. Okay, I made that times 2, so 2.4 kilowatts of power today in a snowstorm, which wasn't too bad considering how much snow we got today. Yeah, just checking. The only thing that ever gets slightly tiny bit warm is this 350 amp fuse. Other than that, it's the only thing that ever gets warm on my wires or anything. Everything's working good. No complaints here. I got 2 more generator panels I scored on an online auction. I got this for $100, guys. That's a deal and a half. This is a Generac 100 amp to 100 amp generator panel. These normally go for $300 in my area. So when I saw it for $100 on an online auction and it came with everything, I was like, oh, that's a good deal, so I bought it. So the reason why, pardon the noise, the reason why I'm able to run off grid and just kill my batteries for no apparent reason, well, other than to save money on the grid, is because I have that big backup generator now. So if tomorrow for some reason the power goes out and my batteries are dead, I still got the generator. So, and now that I have it all wired in, you can see it there with the green wire, all wired in, I can run my entire house, make sure it's my batteries, as long as I pull less than 7,000 watts continuous. So, yeah, I feel pretty confident. So now I can use my batteries. Like, they're just sitting at full charge for the last 2 days because we've been getting this on and off bad weather. Or actually more like 1 day, 24-hour period. And now I'm not worried about depleting my batteries and then the power going out because I got a backup for my backup. And plus I always got, if I had to, I got the power. It's sitting there fully charged. I got my monster speaker. I'll show you here. I got my monster speaker right here. This is fully charged. If I turn it on, I got my inverter output on the sides. I turn this thing into a 70 amp hour battery inside. So that's a normal one, and this is the one with the inverter built in. And I got my sound system. And with all that, I am no longer in any way scared of losing power, even losing power from my main system, because I got so much backup for my backup. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.